Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through and find out how to export a file from PyCharm. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I will close that down. So here go to upper left corner, main menu. Here go to files, and down here we have export files or selection to HTML. Now here we have some things to choose. So we have here, we can um, file or selected text if we can do that. If we choose something like that, we can export selected text or file script. We can choose that. We can also choose files in the directory like that. We can also check in open generated HTML in browser. So this is here we choose directory where we will save this thing. So choose that right here. And after that, hit the export button. And this is it. This is how we exported to HTML. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.